Well, still a fairly straightforward situation for Roman Attanasio, expected in tomorrow afternoon, and Damien Seguin probably overnight Sunday into Monday. Fairly straightforward for them. Generally a boat speed race in, a little bit of high pressure coming in later for the boats behind and this next group coming in. So watching how the animation plays out, here's a Roman coming in to say a lighter winds just ahead of him. We're seeing perhaps this is very much a theoretical routing for Giancarlo Pedotti, going further to the north to try and avoid some of the light winds coming into the Bay of Biscay towards the finish. But otherwise, it's fairly straightforward. There's quite low pressure, this front that they're coming in on, giving them good southerly winds all the way in. But say fairly straightforward. Then getting into the light breezes now in the Bay of Biscay. Perhaps some gains to be made in the north. We're going to watch that and see how that goes out. But otherwise, it's going to be a little bit of upwind sailing finally, and quite light. But this is very much theoretical. We'll watch how this plays out over Monday and Tuesday. But certainly Damien Seguin coming in quickly. So that's the situation for this group coming in the early part of the week. Then looking at the three boats more towards in fact the last three boats in the fleet, Manu Cousin, also of course Denny van Veenberg. They're in this difficult cold pressure, cold front off Rio. They're in quite difficult conditions, and they're emerging out into lighter conditions as well. So still a lot of thunderstorm activity for them, and it's not looking too great. It's going to be a question of what they can find through the thunderstorms and trying to get out to the southeasterly trades, which are still really not very well established for the boats at the back of the fleet.